Hey everybody, this is Edujo and welcome to another video in my series on the Raspberry Pi. In today's video I want to show you how to make a pointy roof, like a pyramid type roof to your house. And as you can see, there is one that I've made, and I've just tested it and it works actually quite cool. And it's a pointy roof made from birch wood. So there it is, let me just fly over and then just turn around so you can see. There we go. So let me go out of that and I'll actually just take the MineCraft away. I'll close this that I've run and let me explain to you what I've done. I took the code from the previous house when I built a small house with a flat roof, and the only thing that I've done was I went down to the code at the bottom here. I'm not sure how can I lift. I'll just lift it up like that so you can see the code at the bottom, and I played around a bit with that. So I've just changed that description in the comment. I said adding solid wooden roof layers made from birch. And previously I had that line of code to make my flat roof, but I was thinking if I wanted a pointy roof and I could sort of decrease the size of the rectangle of the square of the flat roof and make it smaller incrementally by 1 and also go higher by 1, then I could have a pyramid shaped roof or a pointy roof. So I played around with it a bit, and then I came up with this piece of code. So it's all exactly the same code that you can see here, apart from you can see it's got an XYZ position, which is the start of the square, and then it has a XYZ position for the other end of the square. And then you have the block, which in this case is wood, and the 2 means it's birch, pointing in a specific direction. I think it is east to west. Let me just check my paperwork. Birch up and down. Birch up and down, and ID 6 will be birch east and west. So that's birch up and down in terms of the direction. So what I've done, as you can see over here, if I sort of go from there to there, I've increased my X position. So you will know from your X position it starts building 2 block spaces in front of you, and which means in this case that is 2 block spaces in front of the player. So this will then be 3 block spaces because it's the 2 plus the 1. So the current X plus 1, X plus 2, which is 4, and so on, which means it's going to be 5 different layers, 5 different positions. Then you're also going to increase the vertical position, which is the Y. Remember, X is horizontal, Y is vertical, and you're also going to go up 1 layer all the way up to 5 layers. And then the other side of the square is the Z position, the other side, and then you're also going to increase the Z all the way till 5. And then when you get to the let's call it the back end of your square, also has an XYZ position, and there you're going to bring it closer to you by decreasing the X position. So go -1 all the way to -5, so it comes closer to you. The vertical position again will go up because you are going higher up in terms of the height of the roof. And then the Z position, which is just the other side of the rectangle, will then also decrease because it's coming closer to you. And then obviously the type of block that you're using is wood, and it's birch up and down is what you are using. If you change that, for example, to 7, it'll be jungle, which I've actually never seen. So I'm just going to change every second layer to 7 just to see what jungle looks like, and if I like it I might change back the other bits as well. So let me go ahead and just save that one. So I'll just click and say save, and I will just bring this down slightly so I can get to my MineCraft. So there's my MineCraft Pi, and I need to now find a spot where I can actually go place my house. So there's the one that I've built. So I'm just going to fly. Whee! So I'm flying, and let's say I want to build it maybe right over here. I'll drop down and I'm standing right here, so it's near that one. Let me just go slightly, I'll just go stand right there and I'll look in that direction. Then I'm just going to come out of it and I'm going to go to my pointy roof house that I want to make, and I'm going to press F5 to run the code, and then within a second or so, there we go, there's the house. So I'm just going to click on the Minecraft Pi, come to the house, there we go. I'm gonna fly, go up, 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 and oh, there we can see that's the jungle. That looks a lot like oak actually, but anyway, that's the jungle. Or is that oak? I chose number 7 as the ID, which is jungle east to west. So that's the jungle wood. Let me just get myself flying again. There we go. So there you can see every second one. I think the birch fits in very nicely. I might make the whole one jungle actually. I might make the whole one jungle. I might give myself a different pointy there. But anyway, so that's what it does. It goes, it's 5 layers of rectangles, one for the flat one coming up closer, 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 until eventually we end up with just one right on top. So let me just go ahead and fall somewhere maybe there. I'm just going to drop down, have a look quickly. I think I'm going to, I wonder what it looked like with a golden roof. Maybe I should try that. Let me go out and just close this one over there and come back here. Just minimize, whoops, I've opened another program by accident. Just minimize Minecraft again, and actually I'm not going to make it gold. That's something you can play around with. I'm going to make mine jungle all the way. So I'm just changing the wood ID to 7, which is jungle, and it is specifically jungle east to west. Jungle east to west. And then I'm just going to save that. File, save. I'm just going to check my Minecraft that I'm actually back in Minecraft. There we go. I'm going to build it right here, right through all these things. I'm going to build it right there. I think it's probably going to be that direction. Let me go out of that, go to my Minecraft, and I F5 to run it, and I'll just wait for it to come, and there it is. And then I'm going to click on my Minecraft, right click just to get my sword activated, and then fly. Whoa, double space to fly, and there we go. There's my jungle. There's my jungle roof, and it's a pointy roof, a nice little pointy roof. And how do I go down? Oh yeah, that's that one, and there I go down, and there's my nice. Oh, I never changed that bottom layer. Cool, I never changed the bottom layer, which I will change in a second. So I just want to go back, close that, minimize that, and just check why. Oh, because my ID there is still 2. Let me just quickly change that one to 7, and then I will go file, save, and just to prove to you that is actually what it is, I'm just going to find another position, maybe on top of this hill. On top of this hill, let me fly closer, 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 closer. I'm just going to go right over here, and I don't know how it's going to build it. I'm just going to literally just land right there and just see what happens. I might get rid of all these trees and things. I have no idea. So let's see. I click on that one, I F5 it, wait for it to build. I hope I'm looking in the right direction. Yes, I am. And now I need to just click on the Minecraft, right click, double tap to jump, and there we go. There we go. Let me just go backwards, slightly left. There we go. I actually like that. I like that roof. So yeah, there's the roof, and that's how you can make a nice pointy roof. Obviously you can use the same code to build a pyramid and things like that. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you're going to make all sorts of different shapes and sizes for your roofs of your houses or for whatever you are making. Thank you for watching.